Welcome to all on Sethi Learn. In today's session 2 of relation functions, number of concepts will be further clear. Basics of these topics has been discussed earlier, plus 1 math and plus 2 math. Those topics can be gone through on my YouTube channel Sethi Learn. Sethi Learn, right? Let's start the question. Let A is a set 1, 3, 7, 9, 5 elements is there. B 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 7 elements are there. Then the total number of 1-1 maps F A to B such that F1 plus F3 equal to 14. First of all, question has been taken from JEE Main 2024 and applicable for all these, right? Now, first of all, I will discuss what is 1-1. Basics I will discuss in detail. So 1-1. Another name is injective. Let A set has m elements, B has n elements. Essential condition is that m should be less than or equal to n. If m is greater than n, number of injectives m greater than n. Then 0, in this case, NCM into factorial n, right? This has been taken from the concept of permutation and combination out of n objects or m objects are to be selected and then m objects are to be arranged. Using this concept, this formula has been derived, right? 1-to-1 means each element of this has one image, right? One unique image should have. Each element of A should have a unique image in B. Now, condition is F1. F1 means F1. F1 we can take 2, F3 we can take 12. 2, 12 and 12, 2. Two sets are, two possible pairs are there. 1, 2, 3, 12. 3, 12, 3, 2, 3, 12, right? In this case, this condition is satisfied. Two cases. Similarly, in this case, F1, 4, F3, 10. Sum is 14. So 4, 10 or 10, 4. Means two cases are this, 2 cases are, 4 cases are in this case. 4 cases are there to satisfy the condition F1 plus F3 equal to 14. F1 equal to 7, F3 equal to 7. We cannot take this. Sum is 14. We cannot take this because every element in A should have a unique image. In this case, image will not be unique, right? Therefore, or you can say pre-image should be 1. Now in this case, remaining elements will be 5 minus 2, 3. In this case, 7 minus 2, 5. And this will not be 1-to-1, not 1-1. Therefore, this will not be considered. Now, using this formula, 5C3 into factorial 3. These are possible 1-1 concepts. Factorial 5 upon factorial 3 into factorial 2 into factorial 3. This comes out to be 60. Now, according to FPC, fundamental principle counting of multiplication, to complete an event, if number of sub-events are there, then all sub-events are to be multiplied by. There are two sub-events. First event is to satisfy that condition F1 plus F3 equal to 14. Second sub-event is to form all other 1-to-1 elements. So, first sub-event number of cases are 4, second sub-event number of cases are 60. The answer will be 240, right? Now, In this case, answer will be 240. D is the correct option. Next question. Fx is given to you x to the power 5 plus twice e x to the power 4. Consider function of g of x is given to x. You have to find the value of 8 g dash 2. इसकी value find out. Means g dash means differentiation of g. Now, say this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Differentiating 2 with respect to x. इसके लिख सकते हैं g f x equal to x. So g dash f x into f dash x, that will equal to 1, right? Then g dash f x, that is equal to 1 over f dash x, right? Now we have to find g dash 2. So put here x equal to 0. We get 0 plus 2 into e to the power 0, 2. Then f0 is 2. f0 is 2. We can find f1, f2, f3, whatever condition is satisfied, you have to stick at that. So g dash f0 will be equal to 1 over f dash 0. G dash, that is 2, equal to 1 over f dash 0. To find f dash 0, now differentiating this with respect to x, f dash x equal to 5x to the power 4 plus 2 1 by 4 e to the power x by 4, f dash 0, 0 plus 1 by 2 into e to the power 0, that is 1 by 2. Therefore, g dash 2 will be 1 over f dash x, 1 over 1 by 2, that is 2. Therefore, 8 g dash 2 will be equal to 8 into 2, that is 16. That is the answer. B is the correct answer. Now, in this case, this was the only thought process whether we have to find f0, f1, f2, because in this case it is given to g dash 2. We have to find the value of x at which function becomes 2, answer becomes 2. We will put 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 0, कहीं ना किसी की वैल्यू पे ये आंसर मिल जाएगा. तो by chance we got it at 0 value, right? Now, next question. Next question is the number of symmetric relations defined on the set 1, 2, 3, 4 which are not reflexive. Number of reflexive relations. Derivation is not reflexive. So 2 to the power n minus 1. Number of symmetric relations 2 to the power n plus 1 by 2. Number of this 2 to the power n minus 1 by 2. Right? Now, our requirement is symmetric but not reflexive. Means here n equal to 4. n equal to 4. 2 to the power n plus 1 by 2 divided minus 2 to the power n minus 1 by 2. Put the values 2 to the power 4. 4 into 5 by 2 minus 2, 4 into 3 by 2, 2 to the power 10 minus 2 to the power 4, 3, 2, 6, 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 taken common, 2 to the power 4. 16 minus 1, that is 64 into 15. 960. This is the answer. This is the answer, 960. 960 is the answer, right? Now, next question. Question is, set A has 3 elements, set B has 4 elements. The number of injections that can be defined from A to B. This topic as I will discuss in question number 1 also. So as M is less than equal to N, in this case, less than equal to N, then it has A has 3 elements, B has 4 elements. This condition is satisfied. So first of all, out of 4 we have to select 3. 4C3 into selected are to be arranged factorial 3. That is 4 into 6, that is 24. Answer formula क्या बना इसका? NCM into factorial m. If this is the case, m is greater than n, answer is 0. Right. Next question. The number of functions on the set which are not 1, 1. Which are not 1, 1. In this case, total number of functions होता है A to B, M, N, N की power B, or you can say B की power A, N की power M. Right? Now, in this case, to satisfy this condition, answer will be total minus 1, 1. Total will be on to 4 की power 4 minus factorial 4. Out of 4 we have to select 4, 4C4, we have to arrange 4. 256 minus 24, answer comes out to be 232. This is the C is the correct answer, right? Now, next. The total number of onto function on the set. This is set A, elements M equal to 4. This is set B, and N elements 3. Right? Necessary condition for onto condition is this N. N should be less than equal to M. M is 4. The condition is satisfied. This condition is satisfied. Please go through 1, 1 condition also, right? In this, that is the, now in this case, total number of onto function will be equal to summation r equal to 1 to n minus 1 की power n minus r NCR r की power n. Right? Here, summation r equal to 1 to 3 minus 1 की power 3 minus r 3c r to r की power, that is r की power m. M is 4. Right? Expanding minus 1 even number आएगा 1, पॉजिटिव हो गया 3c1 into 1 की पावर 4 minus 3c2 2 की पावर 4 plus 3c3 3 की पावर 4. This is 4. On further simplification we get 1 into 81 minus 3c1 3 into 1 minus 3c2 is 3 into 16. 3 minus 48 plus 81, that is 84 minus 48. That comes out to be 36. 36, right? 36. That is the answer. B is the correct answer. Now, in the complete session, I have discussed number of functions, number of 1, 1, number of onto, number of symmetric plus one more injective. All conditions have been gone through very well. You can go through each and question very carefully, and all are very helpful for the entrance purposes, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Sethi Swift Learn, please subscribe Sethi Swift Learn and like this video, and please subscribe and share this channel to press bell icon to receive updates on upcoming concept clearing videos or existing concept clearing videos on this one. Thank you. धन्यवाद. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.